Pixel 9 Pro XL is just a bigger Pixel 9 Pro, but that's good enough. It doesn't have exclusive camera features or extra RAM for a boost. It is just got a bigger display and a bigger battery. That means the Pixel 9 Pro is an even better pick this year. But it also means that you can choose your phone based on the size you like, not the features you need. First of all, the Pixel 9 Pro XL gets a larger 6.8-inch Super AQA display. It's much bigger than the 6.3-inch screen on the Pixel 9 Pro and it packs more pixels, offering a higher resolution. So, is the Pixel 9 Pro XL screen better? Not exactly. Both displays can reach the same eye-burning 3000 nits peak brightness. Both displays use LTPO technology for a lower power, always-on display that runs at an astonishing 1 Hz. Both offer 24-bit color and the same contrast ratio and other specs. The Pixel 9 Pro XL has more pixels, but with a larger screen area, the pixels get a bit more room to spread out. Because the Pixel 9 Pro packs its pixels more densely, we'd say that screen is marginally sharper with a higher pixel density. In truth, the difference is probably invincible to human eyes, and both phones are more sharp than any iPhone or Galaxy phone you can buy right now. Google makes the best displays for a smartphone, whether you get the big one or the small one. And this is the entire point of the Google Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro XL. The only choice to make is big one or a small one. You don't have to wonder whether you really need a 5x zoom camera like the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers, instead of only 3x zoom as you get the iPhone 15 Pro. Apple is being kind to Pro buyers with Samsung. If you want the best cameras, you can't just buy the larger Galaxy S24 Plus. That phone has the same cameras as the Galaxy S24. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is the real step up, and it's a huge step up to 200 megapixel on the main sensor, a 5x zoom lens, larger sensors all around and more. Oh, and you buy the Galaxy Ultra phone, you have to take the S Pen. Samsung doesn't make a phone with the best cameras and no pen for those who don't want or need it. It's still early days for both of Google's new Pixel 9 Pros. Phablet fans can get their hands on the Pixel 9 Pro XL on August 2022. While anyone obsessed with smaller devices will need to wait for the Pixel 9 Pro on September 4th. Overall, I walked away from both devices feeling a renewed sense of excitement towards Pixel that I am not sure I have felt since the Pixel 6 series. But on the other hand, I wouldn't blame anyone for waiting for a more revolutionary chipset, especially considering the rumors for next year's Pixel 10. But if Google has nailed the basics here, solid performance, good battery life and relatively cool thermals, we could be looking at the best Android experience you can buy today, now available in 2 different sizes.